Look, Luna, those clouds in the sky, they look so fluffy and magical.
Wow, Jerry! Those clouds remind me of something interesting we learned in class.
What's that?
That is cloud computing. Well, just like how those clouds up there store water and share it with the earth, cloud computing stores and shares information using the internet.
What's that? That sounds interesting. I'd love to learn more.
Sure, Jerry. It's like having a big virtual storage space on the internet where we can keep pictures, videos, and documents without having to keep them all on your computer and access them from anywhere.
That's so cool.
Yes, we always use mobile phones to do so many things like making calls, sending messages, taking pictures, and playing games. And we can also store data in the cloud. The cloud is a virtual space where we can add other important things that you don't want to lose.
Okay, Luna.
Let's go, Jerry. Let's explore more. I will show you some clouds on the computer.
Yes, sure. I'm excited to know.
First, let's talk about online storage. It's like having a magical box where we can keep our files and access them from anywhere. See this?
Wow, that's amazing. So, we don't need to carry USB drives anymore?
Exactly. We can store our photos, videos, and documents safely in the cloud storage. Next, cloud computing helps with emails as well. Look at Gmail. It's a cloud-based email service where we can send and receive messages and attachments.
So, our emails are not just in our computers but also in the cloud?
Yes, Jerry. Now, let's talk about online learning. Platforms like Google Classroom use cloud computing. It's like having a virtual classroom where teachers and students can share assignments and materials.
That's really cool.
See these social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. They also use cloud computing to store content that people upload on websites.
Oh!
There is cloud gaming service too. Instead of buying expensive gaming consoles, we can play high quality games on any device connected to the internet.
That's awesome!
Everything has advantages and disadvantages. So, the advantage is that we can access our files from different devices without carrying a USB port. Automatic backup of files and documents saves space on your computer or device. Collaborate easily and share the documents with others. But there are some disadvantages as well. We need an internet connection to access the files. It is less secure with weak passwords, and it requires paid service for advanced features or storage options.
That's true. How do we use cloud computing?
Imagine your schoolwork is like a drawing you make on paper. Instead of keeping that drawing in your backpack, you can store it in the cloud.
Oh, like keeping my drawings safe up in the sky with the clouds.
Exactly. We upload our files to the cloud using applications like Google Drive or Dropbox. Then download or edit them whenever we need to.
Thank you for explaining it, Luna.
No need, Jerry. You can come to me anytime for doubts.